how to make an animated wallpaper on Windows 11, go to the Microsoft Store from the Start menu or from Google and type in Lively Wallpaper. Press on Get or Download it and press Open when it's ready. Now choose one of the animated wallpaper that you like and click on it. This first one is pretty cool. If you don't like this one, check out some of the other ones. If none of them grab your attention, you can add a video from YouTube by clicking on the plus symbol and adding the video link. I have one ready for you guys as an example. Just go to YouTube, type in Live Wallpaper, and copy the video link. Go back to Lively Wallpaper and paste the video link and press on the arrow. You can write a description if you like, and press OK when you are ready. Now, if you want to add your own video, go back to the plus symbol and press Open to add your video. Once again, write a description if you like to impress. OK. If you want to adjust the settings of your video, press on the three dots and go to Customize. Also press on the mute button if you don't want sound to be playing on the background and press OK. If you didn't like your adjustments, go back to Customize and press on Restore Default to restore your original settings. Also, if you want to remove the video or animated wallpaper without deleting it, go to the screen symbol, press on the X, and hit OK. As you can see, it restored the wallpaper to its original form without deleting the video. And that's it, guys. How to make an animated wallpaper on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.